Hello, I'm Jay. I'm an English learner. This is to see how much my English has improved. I have YouTube channel. I thought that studying English with having YouTube is important because I need audience. I need someone to listen to my talk because I don't have plan to study abroad. I have to improve my English on my own. So let me talk to you the way I practice English these days. I post my video to my channel almost every day, but as you know, when I'm tired, I just skip. So every time I film myself speaking English, it's just prepared speaking. This is my real level of English. I haven't prepared, I just turned the camera on and I've started my talk. The video I post my channel is the topic I usually talk about because I thought that could be good practice. Without speaking without any topic, I mean, just purely free talking is pretty difficult. So I prepare some material and script and I memorize. I write down first. I write down and try to memorize and speak it in front of camera like this. But I try to imagine with some photo and I try to remember it by picture, not script itself. So I give it a title, and when I see the title, I should be able to talk about the topic for about 2 or 3 minutes. That's the way I practice speaking English. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to talk about an event that happened a few days ago. When I wake up, I found that gas stove at my home didn't working. So in the morning, I prepare my meal by myself. So I have to use gas stove definitely. But it seems that the ignition didn't work. So I had to call my landlord to ask to take a look at to see what the problem is. And he came to my place in about 10 minutes, pretty quick. My landlord is he built the house by himself. He's not just landlord. He constructed this house. So he has a a lot of professional knowledge about the house and anything about the house, like household items, electricities, something like that. So he arrived at my house and he investigated what the problem is. So he said it seemed that he had to open the gas stove, but he didn't know how to open. So this is what he did. He took a picture of the entire image of gas stove and sent it to someone. I knew that. I saw him. He sent it to his daughter. First, I thought that he was about to ask some engineer to see how to fix this gas stove, but he didn't. He asked this to his daughter, and surprisingly, his daughter put this image to AI. Yeah, that's what struck me. So the AI immediately recognized what kind of gas stove it is and replied to the answer how to open this gas stove. So the daughter respond to her father how to open the gas stove. So just grab the gas stove and pull it up. That's the way. That's how to open the gas stove. So we found that there's a battery inside. So he already brought some new battery because he already know the problem would be the battery. So I didn't know that there would be battery inside. When I back, I remembered I heard some beep sound every time I cook. It has been almost a year. So now I can think that the beep sound was the battery was about to run out. Now I can understand. So he replaced the battery and cleaned up a little and closed it again. So I could be able to use a gas stove within 20 minutes. So that was pretty quick. So what struck me in this story was the AI. I noticed that how widely AI is used today. That's my point.